Look at your screen. What you're seeing isn't a galaxy. It's not a nebula. It's a vampire sandwich, spanning 400 billion miles. On May 12, 2026, NASA released breathtaking new details on a structure officially known as IRAS 23077+6707, but the internet has given it a much cooler name, Dracula's Chivito. It is officially the largest planet-forming disk ever discovered in human history, a staggering 40 times wider than our entire solar system. But there's a problem that is leaving astronomers speechless. According to every law of gravity we have, a spinning disk of dust like this should be perfectly symmetrical. But look at the image captured by Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. One side is sharp and orderly, but the other? Huge, towering, fangs of gas and dust are erupting 10 billion miles into the void. It's lopsided, it's chaotic, and it shouldn't be possible. Welcome back to Quantum Fact Zone. Today, we're diving into the mystery of the planet Nursery that is currently breaking our understanding of the universe. To understand how massive this thing is, imagine our solar system, everything from the Sun to the outer edges of the Kuiper Belt. Now multiply that by 40. Dracula's Chivito is so large that if you stood at one edge, light itself would take days to cross to the other side. Hidden in the center of that dark, hamburger meat lane is a young star, or possibly a pair of stars, 2 to 4 times the mass of our Sun. This star is so bright that it should be illuminating the whole disk evenly. But instead we see a one-sided explosion. Usually, these disks are calm, quiet nurseries where planets like Earth slowly coalesce over millions of years. But Dracula's Chivito is a war zone. Those filaments you see on the north side are wisps of material reaching out like fingers into the dark. Astronomers were stunned by this asymmetry. In a universe governed by the balance of gravity, why is this giant only falling apart on one side? So, what's causing the Fong effect? NASA scientists have 3 terrifying theories. First, the infall theory. Something massive, a giant cloud of gas or a wandering, rogue object, has recently slammed into the disk. This impact has sent ripples of dust screaming outward, creating those lopsided filaments. Second, the binary ghost. There might not be one star in the center, but 2, dancing in a violent orbit that shreds the gas on just one side. Or third, gravitational instability. The disk itself might be so heavy, up to 30 times the mass of Jupiter, that its own gravity is starting to tear it apart from the inside out. Why does this matter to you? Because 4.6 billion years ago, our own solar system was a disk just like this. We always assumed our nursery was a quiet, peaceful place. But Dracula's Chivito proves that the birth of a world can be a violent, lopsided disaster. If our Sun was born in an environment like this, it explains why parts of our solar system seem tilted or misaligned. We are looking 1,000 light years into the past to see a scaled-up version of our own origin story, and it's a story of pure cosmic chaos. The universe isn't a clock. It's not a perfectly balanced machine. It's a messy, lopsided vampire sandwich that doesn't care about our physics textbooks. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to peel back the layers of the Chivito, we might find that order is the exception and chaos is the rule. What do you think is pulling on Dracula's fangs? Is it a hidden star, a cosmic collision, or a force of gravity we haven't discovered yet? Tell me your theories in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to see the images that NASA is still trying to explain, hit that subscribe button right now.